formed in 1969 with a vision to develop and harness space technology in national development while pursuing planetary exploration and space science research. ISRO replaced its predecessor, INCOSPAR, Indian National Committee for Space Research, established in 1962 by India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Indian National Committee for Space Research, INCOSPAR, was founded in 1962 under Department of Atomic Energy (DAE) with Vikram Sarabhai as its chairperson, which in 1969 became ISRO. Aryabhatta spacecraft, named after the famous Indian astronomer, was India's first satellite. It was completely designed and fabricated in India and launched by a Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket from Kapustin Yar on April 19, 1975. Aryabhatta was built by Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) to conduct experiments in X-ray astronomy, aeronautics and solar physics. The spacecraft was a 26-sided polygon 1.4 meter in diameter. All faces except the top and bottom were covered with solar cells. Kalpana 1 was the first dedicated meteorological satellite launched by Indian Space Research Organisation using Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle on 12 September 2002. The satellite in 3-axis stabilized and is powered by solar panels, getting up to 550 watts, 0.74 HP of power. The METSAT bus was used as the basis for the Chandrayaan Lunar Orbiter mission of 2008. GSAT-3, also known as EduSat, was a communication satellite which was launched on 20th September 2004 by the Indian Space Research Organisation. EduSat is the first Indian satellite built exclusively to serve the educational sector. It is mainly intended to meet the demand for an interactive satellite-based distance education system for the country. The Mars Orbiter mission, MOM, also called Mangalyaan, is a space probe orbiting Mars since 24 September 2014. It was launched on 5 November 2013 by the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO). It is India's first interplanetary mission and it made it the fourth space agency to achieve Mars orbit, after Roscosmos, NASA and the European Space Agency. It made India the first Asian nation to reach Martian orbit and the first nation in the world to do so on its maiden attempt. The South Asian satellite designated GSAT-9, formerly known as SARC satellite, is a geostationary communications and meteorology satellite operated by the Indian Space Research Organisation for the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC) region. The satellite was launched on 5th May 2017 during the 18th SAARC summit held in Nepal in 2014. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi mooted the idea of a satellite serving the needs of SAARC member nations as a part of his Neighbourhood First policy. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal and Sri Lanka are the users of the multi-dimensional facilities provided by the satellite. Chandrayaan-2 spacecraft was launched on its mission to Moon from the second launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh on 22nd July 2019 at 9:13:12 UTC by a GSLV Mark 3 M1. The craft reached the Moon's orbit on 20th August 2019 and began orbital positioning maneuvers for the landing of a Vikram lander. The lander and the rover were scheduled to land on the near side of a moon in the South Polar region at a latitude of about 70 degrees south on 6 September 2019 and conduct scientific experiments for one lunar day, which approximates two Earth weeks. A successful soft landing would have made India the fourth country after the Luna 9, Soviet Union, Surveyor 1, United States, and Change 3, China, to do so. CMS-01, formerly known as GSAT-12R, is a communication satellite designed and developed by the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO). This satellite is a replacement of the aging GSAT-12 at 83.0 degree east. This satellite was successfully launched by Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle XL C-50 on 17 December 2020 at 10:11 UTC. Cratosat-3 is an advanced Indian Earth observation satellite built and developed by ISRO, which will replace the IRS series. It has a panchromatic resolution of 0.25 meters, making it the imaging satellite with highest resolution in the world of max of 1 meter with the high quality resolution, which is a major improvement from the previous payloads in the Cratosat series. SARAL, or Satellite with Argos and Altica, is a cooperative altimetry technology mission of Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) and CNES Space Agency of France. SARAL performs altimetric measurements designed to study ocean circulation and sea surface elevation. Aditya, or Aditya L1, is a spacecraft mission to study the Sun. It has been designed and will be built in collaboration between the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO) and various Indian research institutions. It is planned to be launched on the PSLV C-56 in December 2021 or January 2022. It is India's first solar mission.